Mine is like EOS.
Go say hi, Rick. Let's go follow it.
It's like a bat.
Could be. How do you know he's not? Think he sees us? You know he's looking towards you.
Okay, Tim, I'll put him on your shoulder, okay, Tim?
Sure, yeah.
Go blend in.
Try to say, crikey, mate.
Get on him. I just want
This is an African praying mantis, mate, or whatever it is. Turn off the music, Sonny.
So fuzzy.
Isn't he the Persian one?
Well, why don't you touch him and see?
The wind knocked him down, did you see that?
It's like a fat pipe cleaner.
He has somewhere he has to go, apparently.
It's cute. Sheep.
Just walked up to a free sugar loaf place. So let's see if I can get this bat. This machine is relatively weak. Move him. Ha, no wonder it's a free play. It doesn't even bloody close. Yes, we are at a Walmart. I'm gonna fork over another just to make sure it wasn't a blooper. I've never seen more Halloween toys in a claw in 2024 than I am right now with this little one. Okay, yeah, the thing don't. I'll go for this blue guy. It doesn't close, that's why there's a free play on it. I'm gonna play every vending machine that this store has. I never have before, so I'm gonna do that right now. I think I have enough quarters. That would be so beautiful if this thing would Oh, that. Okay, I'm gonna play one more time. That was weird. That one closed. I don't think anything's good in the big claw. I think I could rake him down. I doubt it. I'm on my way out. If this was 2019, I could get this guy. Okay, it's not 2019, so this thing, it either doesn't close or it's weak as crap. So, this machine's always been weak, though. It's because of the prongs. Let me go for this guy's body. It's just, it won't hit the bat. Wonder how many of these will steal my money. I'm gonna go with most of them. I got a ring, very good. Look at that. That's cool for a 50-cent machine. So I got... These ones always steal, but I'll see what happens. Yeah, this type of machine just doesn't work. It happens in Great Falls, it happens here. The one at Griggs worked, though. I've played every ball I could get. Oh, look, I got a NASA toy. Nice. It is a rare toy. I'm actually doing a trunk or treat tonight to get rid of stuffed animals, and here I am getting more. I bet I get the guy with the tongue, if anybody. I didn't even try to grab it, she said, huh? I got this guy top left. Very good. Let's move on. No vending machines here, so I will play like $2, see what happens. At least I don't need to spend my 5s. Watch this. I'm gonna go for this bag here, and then I'm gonna go for that thing. The claw is way too little for any of this. Huh, what the heck? I got this guy here. Once again, vending machines are the best. I'll play it again if this really bombs. Do you think I get it in the hole? I'm gonna try it one more time. Come on, get it in the hole. Damn, too. Ah, dang it. I think that's your best bet, but you're gonna have to get a miracle for it. Oh well.